An impossible canyon awaited humanity's most ambitious mountain bridge engineering achievement ever. Engineers carefully surveyed every mountain edge before construction could safely begin successfully.
Geologists confirmed solid mountain bedrock capable of supporting unprecedented bridge foundations safely.
Heavy machinery carved reliable mountain access routes for future bridge construction operations today.
All right, bring it up slow. Watch the clearance on the south side. Copy that. Lifting now.
Powerful excavators reshaped solid mountains, preparing foundations for history's tallest sky bridge.
Check the coordinates on receiver 3. Reading confirmed, 0.5 millimeters. Mark that position for the anchor bolt.
Lower the casing now, watch the alignment. Roger, lowering slowly.
Enormous reinforced foundations created the permanent backbone, supporting unimaginable bridge forces for decades.
Above the completed mountain foundations, the tower rises with incredible precision, section by reinforced concrete section. Tower construction advanced rapidly as engineering precision conquered impossible mountain heights every single day.
Twin bridge towers finally dominated the canyon, preparing for monumental cable installation ahead.
Massive suspension cables slowly connected both towering mountains with extraordinary engineering precision.
Thousands of precision cables formed the bridge's incredibly strong structural support system today.
Gigantic steel bridge sections finally arrived for the canyon's most dangerous installation phase.
Heavy cranes carefully suspended enormous bridge sections hundreds of meters above the canyon.
The final center connection completed history's most breathtaking mountain bridge structural achievement today. Engineers installed critical safety systems, preparing the bridge for public transportation successfully.
Final roadway layers transformed the massive bridge into a fully operational engineering masterpiece.
Every structural element passed rigorous inspections, ensuring complete safety for future travelers worldwide.
History witnessed completion of humanity's highest mountain bridge, connecting impossible landscapes forever together.
The breathtaking bridge redefined modern engineering above one of nature's deepest canyons forever.
An impossible dream became reality through extraordinary engineering, determination, innovation, and human vision together.